Good morning. So this is Beth. I just wanna talk about a few things here. So we looked at UK US oil basically. They did some analysis on US oil previously on Friday, even yesterday. It was a Sunday that I did some setups. So I just want to talk about a few instruments that I trade alongside oil. Yeah, wherever I trade UK or US oil, there are some instruments or assets or currency pairs that I trade alongside oil. So basically, as we know that oil is actually moved by fundamentals, by economic uncertainties. So that's what actually moves oil, even demand and supply, basically. Oil relies on demand and supply, so caused by economic uncertainties, yeah, like wars, tariffs, so things like that. So currencies that I trade alongside oil, let it be UK, US oil. I normally focus on currencies from countries importing and exporting oil, yeah, in bulk. So when I talk about the first currency that I trade alongside oil, even if I'm trading Brent or West Texas Intermediate oil, the first currency that I normally look at USD CAD. USD CAD is a currency that I love trading alongside oil. Reason being, let me talk about this. Since Canada is the biggest exporter of oil to the United States, it exports majority of its oil to USA, which means the more the export Canada makes, the more its currency gain value. So we're talking about now the CAD as a currency of Canada. So in layman's terms, CAD or Canadian dollar should be positively correlated with oil. If the value of oil increases, also the Canadian currency will gain strength. Now, if the value of oil drops, then the Canadian currency will lose value, vice versa. Again, CAD JPY is another pair that I trade since the rise in value of oil, yes, increases the value of Canadian dollar. And also Japan also is an importer of oil from Canada and USA. So since Japan is an importer, if oil value goes up, so we expect the yen to drop because they will be paying more, yeah, in Canadian dollar or in the US dollars. They will be paying more, and the value of oil, it will make the Canadian currency to go up. So now, vice versa, if the value of oil drops, which means the CAD JPY will drop, which means the yen will be appreciating up because they won't be spending much. Yes, definitely. It's just like that. So when I'm trading oil, I just match up oil with these two currencies, CAD, JPY, USD CAD, just like you see. This is the analysis of USD CAD. USD CAD on weekly, we could see we bearish on weekly. We could see this is a bearish order flow. This is the weekly order flow leg. So when we go to daily, we could see we have a series of breaks of structure. Still, we could see USD CAD is going down, which means CAD has been appreciating. CAD has been strong. What does that mean? Since CAD has been strong, so we're gonna see Let's go down to 4 hour so that we could see. CAD 4 hour, we could see still this is the most recent break of structure, most recent order flow leg. On 4 hour, we've been consolidating. 1 hour, definitely we're still in a consolidation. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. This is where actually I'm waiting to see that I could continue selling off USD CAD. Reason being because, okay, selling off a USD CAD. Reason being, oil is appreciating up. That's the reason why. Oil is appreciating up. Let me check my oil. This is my oil. I took a counter move. I bought low. This is a counter trend move against oil. This morning, I'll be targeting this area because actually when the day opened, it opened with a big gap. So I'm expecting oil to fill up this gap before continuing with the what? With the bearish trend, targeting the weekly lows, definitely. So this is the reason why I should be selling USD CAD, because CAD is influenced by oil. Since oil is buying on the other hand, so you should expect also CAD to gain value. So in other words, I'll be selling off the dollar against the CAD. So I'm waiting for some entries on H4. This is H4, H1, 15 minutes. I'll be targeting, if I'm to sell off USD CAD, I'll be targeting this low. This should be my take profit. So I'll be setting my sell limit orders here at my area of origin. This is my area of origin, and this is inducement. You can call it liquidity. Then I'll look to hold some sales. So this is what I'm looking forward to. Yes. So oil should buy to sell. Oil is buying to sell, and also USD CAD should be selling to buy. So this is the analysis. USD CAD, that's it. It's a sell to buy. Then Brent oil buy to sell. CAD JPY, definitely I'm just waiting. I'm looking at this daily fair value gap to see if I could find some entries. I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen around this daily fair value gap. Yeah, it might probably reject off price, targeting all these highs. This is low resistant liquidity. So I'm also waiting for a buy, because I'm also waiting to buy off the CAD against the yen. Yeah, if there will be some strength on oil. So this is what I'm looking for today. Thank you, guys.